Hello, my name is Nicholas. I'm recording this for my C++2 Lesson 5 interview. We have to write code to take two numbers from a user and perform simple division with the inputs that are shown below, and make sure the code doesn't terminate abnormally when receive an invalid input when the divisor is 0, and we have to use a try-catch statement. So over here in CLine, what I like to do is include using namespace standard just to make the code look nicer. And to start, we have to take two numbers and divide them. So we want to start with doubles because doubles will make dividing easier. And we need the two numbers, so we declare two of them. And then we perform a simple little output message. But first, we're going to only get the first number. And we're going to get an input for the first number. And then we're going to get a second number. Now, we have to use a try-catch statement. So we're going to try, and what we're going to try is we're going to see if number 2 is equal to 0. And if it is, that's going to be an error because you can't divide by 0. So what we're going to do is throw the error. We're going to do a runtime error. And we're going to say, you can't divide by 0. That will be our error message. And if it does go through, what we're going to want to do is output the result if it's correct. But we're also going to add a little statement that says the result is, make it look nice for the display, but also because when you divide by like 4 to 5, it says that it's 0, which is incorrect. It's actually 0.8. So what we're going to do is add fixed and set precision to 2 spaces. And what that's going to do is make it go to the decimal point, but only 2 past the decimal point. So it's not a big long number. Now, after this, because the try needs a catch, and the catch will get our runtime error. And it should be called E for error. And then we just want to output the E and whatever that error message is that comes from the throw. Now, all of that should work. So we're going to test it. Oh boy. Oh, I forgot a colon somewhere. Probably up here where I declared things. No. Mm, test that again. Oh, yep. Yep, right there. Okay. Now that should work. Yep. Perfect. Now we enter a number and we enter a second number. And that gives us 0.4. And if we enter a number and then we enter 0, it says you can't divide by 0 and it finishes the code gracefully. Thank you for the interview, and that should do it. Thank you for your time.